Hello students, NEET series, the chapter now, the NEET chapter is ionic equilibria. The NEET examination is coming, and for this purpose I am giving so many questions, I am uploading so many questions. Myself Arun Bhange, Parbhani, Maharashtra. My first question, today's my first question for NEET series is 0.1 mole solution of which one of these substance will be basic? Any type of salt which is acidic, basic or neutral depends upon its hydrolysis process. Suppose after hydrolysis, if the salt gives strong acid nature and weak base nature, if strong acid is present in the salt, then that type of salt is acidic in nature. After hydrolysis, the salt gives strong base and weak acid. The nature of that salt is basic nature. If the salt gives weak acid and weak base, then we must know the Ka means dissociation constant of acid or dissociation constant of base. With respect to that dissociation constant of acid or base, we can conclude its nature. So, if the salt gives strong base and strong acid, both are strong. When both are strong, such type of salt is not to be hydrolyzed. Its nature is neutral. In aqueous media, it gives neutral nature. Here, calcium borate, sodium borate, NH4Cl and sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Na2SO4 means here sodium hydroxide and H2SO4, both the acids and bases which prepare this type of salt, and the nature of this salt is neutral. Our question is whether it will be basic. Basic means here calcium borate, boric acid and calcium hydroxide. Boric acid and calcium hydroxide. Here calcium hydroxide is weak base and boric acid is also weak base. Both are weak. We don't know what is the nature of this salt, calcium borate, because with respect to this we can't determine the nature of weak acid, weak base. The nature of such type of aqueous solution depends upon its Ka or Kb value. Here NH4Cl, this salt which is prepared from NH4OH and HCl, HCl is strong acid, so the nature of the salt is acidic. It depends upon Ka and Kb. It is neutral. What about this? This is our answer. Sodium borate. Boric acid is a weak acid. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Strong base consisting salt. Weak acid and strong base consisting salt, and here the nature of the salt is basic. Our answer is first answer. Okay, we are going towards next question. Observe that, clearly observe that question. 0.1 mole solution of which one of these substance will be basic? The next question, percentage dissociation of pyridine C5H5N that forms pyridinium ion. C5H5N plus H means H plus protons added into the pyridine in a 0.1 molar pyridine solution. Kb for pyridine is equal to 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 9. Pyridine is a salt. This type of structure is pyridine. Pyridine is a salt after hydrolysis, means reaction with H plus and OH minus ions of water. H plus attaches to this N. H plus attaches to this N by coordinate bond. It gives such type of structure. N H plus such type of this plus OH minus. This is hydrolysis reaction of such type of pyridinium ion. Pyridinium ion which is to be formed C5H5N plus H in a 0.1 molar solution. Pyridine solution. Given Kb is given to you. Percentage dissociation. Before start to study percentage dissociation, you must determine what is the given value. Given value Kb is given to you. Kb and C. Concentration is given to you. With respect to Kb and C, alpha, at first you determine alpha. Alpha is equal to root of Kb upon C. Alpha is equal to root of Kb upon C. Root of 1.7 into 10 raised to power of minus 9 divided by 10 raised to power of minus 1. 1.7 into 10 raised to power of minus 9 divided by this type of 0.1 10 raised to minus 1. It is 1.7 into 10 raised to power of minus 8. It means root of 1.7 and 10 raised to minus 4. Root of 10 raised to minus 4 is answer of 10 raised to minus 8. Root 10 raised to minus 4 and root of 1.7, which is taken as 1.3. 1.3 into 10 raised to power of minus 4, it is alpha value. After this alpha value, they are not asking alpha value. They are asking percentage dissociation. They are not asking only alpha, they are asking percentage dissociation. For percentage dissociation, you must multiply alpha with 100. Means alpha into 100 is equal to percentage disso. Percentage disso is equal to alpha into 100. It means 1.3 into 10 raised to power of minus 4 into 10 raised to power of 2. It is 1.3 into 10 raised to power of minus 2. 1.3 into 10 raised to power of minus 2 का मीनिंग होता है this is 0.013%. Answer is 0.013%. The percentage dissociation of pyridine that forms pyridium ion by adding water in a 0.1. It is a C value, and this Kb value according to Kb and C we must determine alpha. Root of Kb upon C, it is Kb upon C, 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. Alpha is equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Root of this is this. Percentage dissociation to alpha into 100 is equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to 2. 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 2 means this is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 2. 0.013%. It is answer. Okay. Next question is coming. Another third question is, which of the following salts will give highest pH in water? You know that the question, which of the following salts will give highest pH in water? The pH starts, in middle part of the pH is 7 if neutral, solution is neutral, and up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 acidic region. In this acidic region, at 25 degrees centigrade and the 25 degree, the standard condition temperature pressure, the particular value of pH which is to be fixed, acidic region, and this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is here Kw value which is to be fixed 1 into 10 raised to power of minus 14. With respect to this Kw value at a particular temperature, this standard Kw ionic product of water which is to be fixed with respect to this pH range which is to be fixed. Thus, if 7 pH is there, it is not highest pH is 14. Means the solution which is to be basic, basic solution, it means it is having highest pH. Here KCl, अभी तो मैंने आपको बताया था KCl when added in water it gives strong base and strong acid. When strong base and strong acid is there, both the concentrations both are completely neutralized with each other. Total dissociation takes place. Only water formation process. Neutralization process means water formation process. Here KCl when added in water it gives KOH and HCl. Both are strong. So hydrolysis of KCl not to be takes place. Its aqueous solution consisting neutral nature, pH 7. Here pH 7. Here pH 7. And here this CuSO4 acid is strong. And base is CuOH twice, base is weak, H2SO4. With respect to this strong acid and weak base, a combination of this copper sulfate is formed. Then the nature of copper sulfate is acidic. Acidic has no highest pH. Acidic has lower than 7 pH. Basic has more than 7 pH. Neutral has 7. It means that Na2CO3, NaOH and H2CO3 when combined with each other, it gives Na2CO3. NaOH is a strong base, and with respect to strong base, Na plus and OH minus ion become free. So the nature of Na2CO3 is basic, basic nature. Basic nature means its pH is highest. Answer is C. Thank you. The new question, what is the pH of resulting solution? When equal volumes of 0.1 mole NaOH and 0.01 mole HCl are mixed. It means this 0.1 mole NaOH, the concentration of strong base is higher and concentration of strong acid is lower. When they mixed with each other, the HCl completely neutralized. HCl having lower concentration and NaOH having higher concentration. Higher concentrated NaOH completely neutralized HCl, and the resulting solution is basic. And resulting solution consists of OH minus ion. And we must calculate the concentration of our resulting solution. This 0.1 molar, 0.01 molar. Suppose the volume which is to be fixed, this N1V1 for NaOH minus N2V2 for HCl, and only normality and volume of resulting solution. N1V1 minus N2V2, the remaining part is normality into volume of the resulting solution. Suppose volume, this is 1 liter, this is 1 liter, this is 2 liter, volume becomes same. Suppose we are taking volume 1 liter, the normality of this is given to you 0.1 into 1 minus normality or molarity of HCl. HCl and NaOH having 1 H plus and 1 OH minus, so their normalities and molarities are same. This is 0.1 into 1. This is 0.01 into 1 is equal to this normality. We don't know normality of resulting solution, but volume is 2. By mixing these two when mixed with each other, the concentrations changes, but volume increases. This 0.1 minus 0.01, subtraction of this n into 2, 0.01 and 0.1, it is 0.09. 0.09 is equal to n into 2. So what is n? How 0.09 comes? This 0.10 minus 0.01, it is 9 and it is 0. 0.09 upon 2, n is equal to 0.09 upon 2. The answer becomes 0.045. It is our normality. And the remaining solution is basic. So it is our OH minus concentration. By determining OH minus concentration freshly, after this calculation, we know that what is the pH. आपको pH निकालना है. pH is to be determined. This POH is equal to, at first OH minus is there, so you must determine POH minus log of OH minus ion concentration. This is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus in bracket log of 4.5 into 10 raised to power of minus 2. This is log of 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Log of 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Negative sign is there. When such type of situation is to be there, you directly write. अभी देखो मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा. If 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 is there, minus log of this आपको निकालना है, तो 3 minus log of 3.5 ये होगा, डायरेक्टली लिख दो आप, इस स्टाइल से आया तो 3 माइनस लॉग ऑफ कैसे आया मैं आपको बताऊंगा। ये नेगेटिव लॉग ऑफ दिस, ओके, नेगेटिव लॉग ऑफ दिस, लॉग अप्लाई करने के बाद क्या होगा, ये माइनस लॉग ऑफ 4.5 प्लस माइनस log of 10 to the power of minus 2 means log a into b, log a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b, directly minus log of 4.5 और ये minus 2 multiplication में पीछे आएगा, it comes at the back side of the log to the base 10 to the base 10 1 होगा, ये होगा 2 plus minus log of 4.5। मैंने आपको बताया था this type of situation is there, you must write 2 minus log of 4.5. If such type of situation is there, log of 4.5 into 10 minus 2, negative sign is there, 2 minus log of 4.5, डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हो। 4.5 का log देखिए, 4.5 का log देखने के बाद आपको आंसर आएगा 1.35 by putting 4.5 log. Answer is 1.35. Our POH is 1.35. You must put this value 0. जो भी log है वो 2 में से subtract करो, 1.35 आएगा। POH is equal to 1.35. When POH is equal to 1.35, PH is equal to 14 minus 1.35. You are 12th science students. You know the calculation. You know the style of calculation. 14 minus 1.35. Here about our answer is this. Subtraction की भी जरूरत नहीं है। 12.65, 14 minus 1.35. It is, what is the pH of resulting solution? Resulting solution is neutral, so its pH becomes more than 7. ये भी डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो आप, इतना कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। It is not necessary to calculate this. I am giving you the such type of calculation. But what is the pH of resulting solution? When NaOH and HCl mixed with each other, the NaOH having more concentration, HCl having lower concentration, so resulting solution is basic, and basic means pH is more than 7. More than 7 pH is only 12.65. Answer is 12.65. It is 1 second problem, but you know the process. After observing the process, you go directly, that is 1.04. It is acidic, it is neutral, it is acidic, it is only basic. Answer directly comes 12.65. okay, the fifth question in the video, which is aqueous solution of CH3COH contains, when we add CH3COH in water, yes, when we add CH3COH in water, CH3COH in water in aqueous media, actually aqueous media means water is to be added, it gives equilibrium like CH3COO minus plus H plus, and such type of dissociation is somewhat weak dissociation, means fraction of acetic acid which is to be dissociated, only fractional part get dissociated. Large amount of acetic acid in this beaker, CH3COH is present in large amount, CH3COH, and H plus ion which are formed, but H plus ions reacts with H2O molecule. The large amount of H2O reacts with H plus of acetic acid. Actually it gives H3O plus hydronium ion. The water is there, so water accepts H plus ion. Only H plus ions are not in free state according to Arrhenius concept. It is some type of limitation. In water, H plus ions are not in free state. This H plus ion, which is to be accepted by H2O, it gives H3O plus and CH3COO minus. 1, 2, 3. 3 types of ions are there. CH3CO minus, H3O plus, okay. These 2 ions are there, and H plus is double, so it is cancelled. CH3COH, CH3CO minus plus H and H plus. CH3COH is there, CH3CO minus is there, and H plus is there. But H plus is not directly present, it is in the form of H3O plus. So our answer is B, CH3CO minus, H3O plus and CH3COH. CH3COH, some student asking that how CH3COH is there, because the CH3COH, more percentage of CH3COH is not to be ionized. More percentage, less amount, fractional amount get dissociated and equilibrium is established. These are the 5 questions in this video. Ionic equilibria, the chapter, and or MCQs, how MCQs which is to be solved very quickly, very fastly, how decision which is to be takes place. It is my somewhat small try to represent myself in front of you. It is my next video. Okay, thank you. Myself Arun Bhange, Parbhani, Maharashtra. I am giving you so many questions. You observe this, subscribe this. Please subscribe.